Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Zanussi brand washing machine and you're getting an E94 error code and you're wondering what is this error and how can I get rid of it. So first of all, the bad news is the E94 error, it's not like a drain issue or a water intake issue or something where there can be a real specific place that a homeowner can go and check. The E94 is an anomaly on the control board, and it very well might mean that you need to have your control board replaced. So you're probably going to have the technician come look at it, but before you do that, these electronic anomalies, just like a computer that acts up, sometimes just a hard restart will get it working again. And to do that, all you need to do is turn your washing machine off, disconnect it from power for a full minute. So that means either unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit. Then after a minute, restore power, turn it on. That'll clear the error out, try to run a cycle, and hopefully the error won't come back. And if it does, then at that point you're probably going to need to call a technician. But anyways, hope this video helps you figure out at least what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.